Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well and you're watching my channel Incredibly Delicious. So finally after a long time I'm back with my new amazing recipe which was being asked by my friend Anushi. And आप भी ऐसे ही कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं कि हम अपनी नेक्स्ट रेसिपी कौन सी अपलोड करें. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video.
Incredibly delicious.
Today we are gonna make tawa pulao and the ingredients needed are garlic, खड़ी लाल मिर्च, ginger, pav bhaji masala, green chilies and red sauce, paneer, tomatoes, onion, capsicum, peas, cauliflower, potatoes, carrot, coriander, jeera and rice. Firstly, take a grinder, put 2 to 3 khadi lal mirch soaked in water, 7 to 8 cloves of garlic, 2 to 3 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of pav bhaji masala, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, and then add the water in which khadi lal mirch was soaked. Then 1 inch of garlic. Now grind this. So here we are ready with the sauce which we will be using while making the pulao. Now take a pan. Put 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. One finely chopped potato. Add 1 finely chopped carrot to it. Cauliflower. And 3/4 tablespoon of salt. Now cover it for 5 minutes. And then put these ingredients aside. Now take a pan, put 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and add cumin to it. Now add 1 roughly chopped onion to it. And wait until it turns a bit reddish in color. Now put 2 roughly chopped capsicums to it. Now cover it with a lid and wait for 5 minutes. Then add half tablespoon of salt, 1/4 cup boiled peas, 1 tomato finely chopped, and then mix them well. Then wait for 5 minutes. Now add the paneer pieces to it. Here, the pieces should neither be too small nor too big. Then put 1 tablespoon of pav bhaji masala. Now time to add all the vegetables we have already prepared. Then put 2 tablespoons of sauce that we have already prepared. And mix these ingredients properly. After mixing the ingredients properly, put 1/4 cup of water to it. Now keep these ingredients aside and we will start preparing for our rice. For which, take a pan, put butter, two to three green chilies, coriander, and rice that we have already prepared. Then mix this well. Now add to this the mixture of vegetables that we had kept aside. And then for the purpose of garnishing it, add coriander to it. And here we are done with our pulao. So I hope you all liked the video. So for more delicious updates, do subscribe my channel, Incredibly Delicious. Love you guys. Bye.